Pakistan attack chatharakpa yabagi chingnaba leibadagi Rajasthan ki border district sing mikup nahum sing na leina khangan khre haire district administration amadi police officials sing maikaidagi yumda lingda leina ba amadi maram chadana chathok chasin tawdana khangan khre nakal amaromda Haryana gi CM Nayab Singh Saini na chair lawduna hojik oriba India Pakistan lan asigi matangda special meeting pangthokre mifam aduda chief secretary home secretary amadi atopa senior official kayasu sarukya khe mifam aduda commissioner DC amadi SP shu video conferencing ke khothangda sarukya khe haire Uttarakhand Civil Aviation Development Authority na Uttarakhand da 4 dam yatra helicopter service kodakta gi lepna khangan khre helicopter service asi 4 dam yatra gi pilgrim sing puthukna bakhak service leragani haire amaromda karigumba India na makhata na khud tharaktra badi Pakistan gi makaidagi su khud handana ba khanagani hana Pakistan gi foreign minister Izak Dar na news agency Associated Press da phongdokhre mahak na hai makhata na chection wa thamnaduna hai karigumba India na nauna khud tharak labadi Pakistan gi maikaidagi chap chaba paukhum pigani haraduna warakliba phibam ase khangba ngambagi wangma lathokle India na karigumba khud tharak pa lep labadi makhoi gi oina su khud thaba lepnaba khanagani haikhe